I'll admit it. I was terrified of needles.
Honestly, I thought the whole Eastern medicine thing was just another wellness fad. Then my sister-in-law gave me this book.
I started reading through it, and for the first time, acupuncture actually made sense.
It broke down the myths, explained the facts, and helped me weigh the pros and cons in plain English.
And you know what? I finally got up the nerve to see a licensed practitioner.
Best decision I've made for my body.
If you're curious but nervous, Acupuncture Unplugged is the place to start. And it even comes with a free guide, Acupressure Unplugged, packed with simple techniques you can try at home. Start your journey today.